KBGM Missoula, you are listening to Missing Zhongguo. Our show today features 11 birthday musicians. Among them, 5 are from the mainland China. Tan Li Na, Jiang Shen, a former member in SING. Luo Yusheng, Big Zhang Wei, the main vocal in the band called Flowers, and Lin Yirong. 2 are from Taiwan, Wu Qingfeng, the main vocal in Su Da Lü, and Huang Yingying. And 2 are from Hong Kong, Zhou Liqi and Xie Tingfeng. And another 2 from Malaysia, Guang Liang and A Niu, originally named Chen Qingxiang. What should be mentioned is that Luo Yusheng is a performer of a kind of opera called 京韵大鼓, literally meaning Beijing rhythmed big drum. You might be able to recognize it the moment you hear her piece. Enjoy.